Hello, the following video should make your blood boil, because I'll tell you something, after I saw what I saw yesterday, I was furious, so mad that I couldn't even do a video on it yesterday, but we're going to get into it right after this. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Sunday, July 12th, 2020. And what we're looking at is my channel analytics. Now, to get in there, you go to your channel and you hit the YouTube Studio button, then you get into here. Now, before we get going, before I tell you about the problem and what you need to do immediately after this video, I want to explain a few things, because I'm furious, I'm livid. But I will give YouTube the benefit of the doubt, and I will give them 7 days to fix the problem. Because I understand, with the COVID thing and all that, and all their people being, at home and working from home and that sort of thing, all the process has slowed down a little bit. So the reason I'm making this video is because I want to, instead of hitting the feedback button, I want to show you all what's going on here. And if you're having problems with views or something, I found a problem here that YouTube really needs to look into. And as I said, I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt, let this circulate, and hopefully they fix the problem. And maybe next Sunday when I do a video, I can say, thank you, YouTube, you fixed it. Okay, what am I talking about? And it's lagging. Okay, we're into the reach. And so we go over here. And the biggest thing, okay, you got your traffic source type, and it's a good idea, if you don't do this already, just to kind of familiarize yourself. I am certainly not an analytics expert, and also for someone, if you're listening here, and because this is just my thoughts on it, and if you're someone who really knows the nuts and bolts of the analytics, please, in the comments, let me know whether I'm right or wrong on this, because I really need to know this information, but because I don't really want to steer anybody the wrong way. But I want to point out a problem, something that has really made me upset, and trust me, I will my goat here, and then we're going to go into something else here. Traffic source, suggested videos. Okay, now proportion of your traffic, now, and it shows various videos. Now it got that's my video, new Google terms of service, and then we got IPTV Roku, that's my video, an antique car show, that's my video, then D-Lake security camera, that's my video. This one here on number 2 with 12.5%, not for children, XXX rated. This is unacceptable. I want it off. I want it off as quickly as possible. This is not my video. How this is attached to my channel is beyond me, but I am telling you, YouTube, I want this off, and I've already made screen captures, and if it's not off in 7 days, I will go to an attorney and you will be sued. There is no place for this. First of all, the title is a violation of YouTube policies. I'm going to go into the see more here, and this is another thing that I want whoever's watching. I want to show you a little more about analytics when you go into see more, and you want to deep dive into some of these things. But apparently somebody's doing something that they don't think that I'm smart enough to check. Well, I found this, and trust me, I'm still living. I am still living. And trust me, I want this video to go viral. I want you to share this to everyone, that this kind of garbage is going on and it needs to stop. And YouTube is really need to check things out. Now this video, it doesn't have any, I'll show you in a second. It's doesn't really show any graphic details or anything, but the fact of the matter, what I'm getting at, is the fact that this title here, okay, it all ties in, because it's a channel title. It ties into my channel, so it takes me into areas that and nobody's going to watch it, so it's driving people away. And this is really pissing me off. I found this and I want it off. And I want answers. I want someone to contact me, because this is not acceptable, and I want to hear from somebody. Roberto Blake, if you're listening, if you're seeing this, I want you to come. Daryl Leaves, you're the analytics guy. I want some answers. I want some answers now. Why in the hell is this on here? I want to know, because trust me, I'm going to be contacting people, and if this is not removed, all hell is going to break loose, and it's not going to be pretty. I want this off. I want this off now. And like I said, I'm going to give you 7 days. If it's still on here by next week, trust me, the following week, I'm taking this and I'm going to attorneys, because this has got to go. Now, if you click on here, and click on the See More, let's go into here. But we're looking at traffic source. And here, this is what's, now, and again, this, and I'm going to play this little clip here in a second. But this is, it's only 13 seconds. It's a guy doing something. I'm going to play it in a second, because this is just unacceptable. I want this off my channel. I want it off. And this is not okay. And I'm furious. Now let me click on the little play button, and it's going to take you. This is some guy just doing a prank, but I want it off of here. Now it takes you, when you click onto that, it's going to take you to this little thing, and I want this for the record. And then it takes you to this. And what channel does it say? There it is. And that's the name of the channel. So any of you, if you have this on here, get it off if you can. I'm going to, as I state, I'm going to show you something, because I'm going to manually report this channel. I'm going to do it now while I'm on this video, and I'm going to mute the channel. I'm going to block it. But I want YouTube to know that this is not good, but I'm going to do it. Okay, go to the 3 on my video right now, and make sure it gets in there. But I'm doing this, and I'm going to put this all over the place. I've asked some friends. Okay, now let me go to the dot.